Oh, what is the screaming I'm hearing about? Where is this? Oh my goodness! Hey kids, what are you screaming about? What is this?
2024!
I know. It is crossover service. I know. Have you guys heard the screaming? Yes, they are screaming about crossover service. We are all excited to see you there because I know and everyone here at Life is Grace Ministries knows that it is the night, a doorway to step into where God wants you to be. Do not miss out. Do not miss out. It is gonna be the doorway which leads to where God wants you to be. So be there at 10 o'clock.